Howdy, howdy. We finished up crushing, and I told him I was here to put in a full day. And he said, hey, if you can help straighten up, clean up a little bit, that'd be much appreciated. So I'm on the Long Forks, moving some stuff around. But, you know, there's always there's some time to try to squeeze some fun in there every now and then. Let's see if I can do this. I haven't tried this trick in 5 years, but found a bowling ball in a car. I'm gonna let these customers get out of the way. Okay, lady, after you get done kicking it, guess I'm about to go find a place where nobody's at. Howdy, howdy. Everybody up here trying to have fun. I haven't tried this trick in, golly, at least 5 years. If I quit watching the camera, just watch the bowling ball I carried around. It's like riding a bike. Oh my God, who gets to do this? Who gets to drive around and play with a bowling ball with a $135,000 machine? Oh, I gotta quit playing around. Get some work done. Oh, that's a lot of fun. Hey, so I'm showing off again. My bad. Y'all know Cowboy. I'm gonna quit in just a second, I promise. Oh, y'all can't see nothing at that angle. I used to be able to pick it up and roll it all the way down these forks. That's what I need to try to do. Boom! Shaka-laka, laka-laka! I ain't missed a beat! I ain't missed a beat! Cowboys still got it. Cowboys still got it. So I'm showing off again. How sick is that? I gotta quit before he sends me home. I ain't paying you to play, dude. Oh, they can keep the money. I'm just having fun. Oh, don't run under a car. Dang. I mean, I can always go get it. All right, just a few more minutes of me patting myself on the back. I love operating these loaders. It's like, there's just nothing like it to me. Now what I gotta learn how to do is do it on the short forks, on my crushing forks. All right, 2 more minutes. Oh man, I had it so close. All right, that's it, folks. Nothing me playing around. Y'all be careful and be kind. I'm gonna have some fun. Thank ya.